Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Moyaxo. Today I'll be showing you how to wash and treat bundles. This can be done on used bundles or new bundles. This is the hair that I bought from my niece here on AliExpress. If you guys would like to see the review on the hair, it will be in the description box below. I think washing your bundles is a very necessary step because it helps with split end protection. It gives the hair a natural shine so you wouldn't have to use as much oil on your hair. It nourishes the hair and also gives it strength. This may not be growing from your scalp, but you still want to treat it as real hair. I'm going to be using the Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 shampoo and the conditioner. The Aussie 3 Miracle Smooth. This is a deep conditioner and a white tooth comb. So now I'm just going to wet the hair with some water. Now I'm going to take each bundle separately and apply the shampoo. About 2 pumps should be fine. You want to work the shampoo out of the bundle, even on the weft. This also gets rid of any dirt that was on the hair from shipping. Now I'm going to take the white tooth comb and get rid of any tangles. I'm just going to repeat this on the other side of bundles. So this didn't take long at all. I just worked the product through evenly through the wefts. Make sure it's well coated all the way to the ends. And I'm just going to rinse out the shampoo now. Now that I have completed rinsing the hair, I'm going to add the conditioner. I'm gonna work in the conditioner some more and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now it's time to rinse out the conditioner. I have completed rinsing out the conditioner. And now I'm going to move on to treating the hair. So now I'm just going to use this Aussie 3-minute Miracle Smooth. It controls frizz. It's a deep conditioner. You don't have to use the Aussie line, I just prefer it. There are many other lines you can use. For example, the OGX. This is a very good line. It's sulfate free. The conditioner and the shampoo works very well. Make sure you get all in the bundles. So I'm just going to leave this sit on the hair for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. So the deep conditioner has been sitting on the hair for about 10 minutes and I'm just going to rinse it out now. So I have completed rinsing out the deep conditioner off camera. I'm just going to leave the bundles air dry overnight. until they're completely dry. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.